Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am using the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection again for this layout, and this is like a complete scrap lift from the lovely, I think her name is Flora Marks on Instagram, but it was like one of the first layouts I saw using the collection, and I absolutely just love the simplicity of it. It's a little different for me because usually I'm all about the mixed media and adding extra stuff, and this one is truly just paper crafts and all the great goodies from this collection. There's no modeling paste, no mixed media, no gesso, no nothing. So it's just completely a classic scrapbook layout. And I go ahead and start fussy cutting a few, I think 3 butterflies. Then I finished the floral paper from my last layout. As you can see here, that's the last of the florals I have, but I did get 4 or so good blooms. And then I take this paper that's floral. I only cut 2 blooms, I think, out of this, so I still have this whole paper to use on a future layout, wink wink, because I'm all about the florals. And then I go stash diving in order to add a few extra bits. Now, this is the part that's not probably completely scrap lifted, in which I embellish, because I definitely went into some of older Maggie Holmes collection and was able to take some gold foiled vellum pieces out. And I just added a nice little cluster on the down below, right where I'm working. And I added a white doily from my stash, and the other half is above the photo as well. And then, like I said, added some vellum gold embossed pieces. I also had acetate leaves. Those are acetate leaves that are on the bottom left or bottom right corner as well. I think they were from a Pink Fresh collection, Pink Fresh Studios, but I could be wrong. Like I said, some stash diving. There's dishes all over my desk that I am using and that I have easy access to, so that I can get a lot of my older stuff that's sitting on my desk used up. I'm popping my photo up on Fun Foam. This was a picture of me and Miguel. I want to say this was actually from my birthday last year. He took me to see Beyonce and Jay-Z in concert, and oh my god, guys, like, that was on my bucket list. I love Beyonce, and actually I love Jay-Z, believe it or not. I do know a lot of his music. Their concert was like 100% bucket list worthy for the ticket price that you pay for it. Go. If Beyonce's ever in your town, go. If you like Beyonce, I mean, I should say. I adore Beyonce. So this was a photo we took like right before we left, and it was a cute photo. Miguel's head sort of got cut off, you know, in printing it. Whoops. And then I'm going in and still using the bow. So the bows from this collection are navy and pink. But I had one from Carousel, which is black and white, still works. And then these charms are from Paige Evans' Pick Me Up, and it was in the scrap lift as well. She had a circle-shaped charm hanging off of her bow, so I did what I could with the stash that I have. The You and Me is from the 6x12 sticker sheet, and then the Best Friend, this is a thicker pack I hauled from Hobby Lobby. I didn't have the thicker pack from the collection, which I could have, you know, gone further to scrap lift completely, but it says You plus Me, and it's Best Friends, which is us perfectly. And then I used a few of the word stickers down in the bottom right corner from the sticker sheet as well as that little phrase that says, "This is my happy place." She had something kind of similar in this kind of region as well. And then, of course, oh, this is me attaching the charm. My apologies, because I said I was doing it and I didn't actually do it. I attached the charm with just white embroidery floss that was sitting in my collection. I have been getting into stitching a little bit thanks to the inspiration from Paige Evans, but stitching is hard. I mean, not hard, it's just, it's time consuming. That's what it is. So I do have, like, I bought a rainbow pack of thread, and I haven't used it quite as much. So that's something else I need to do more on my layouts, stitching. And then I featured this layout on Spiegelmom Scraps blog because I went to town on all the sequence adding. So right now I'm using the glitter sequence from the gorgeous Hexa Glam collection. This one's great, like gold glitter sequence, like legit like gold glitter sequence. I mean, it's too much. And so with all the glitter I have poking around, this was a perfect pack to use, but then I took it a step further and used all these pink iridescent ones from Dragon's Tail as well. And the bling on the page, of course I added some Heidi Swapped Color Shine, is ridiculous. And so this came together rather quickly. Hope you enjoy. And I will leave the links to the Spiegelmom Scrap Store down below. And remember to use coupon code EV and the number 15 for a discount on your purchases. Till next time, everyone. Bye.